What is a species? Now, that might sound like an easy question, but trust me, it is not. So the moderately informed people would probably say a species are two animals that can interbreed with each other and produce viable offspring who themselves are fertile. Now, that sounds like an easy answer. That's it, right? Right? It is not. A species is a very blurry line that really does not exist. It is created by humans to just put everything in a box and identify things. So, the way we've made isn't really outlined well. So, for example, there are many animals called tiger. How do you know which one is a tiger? We just call them tigers. That's not that big. Most of them can't breed, right? To each other. Like, how are you sure a Bengal tiger or a Siberian tiger and a captive tiger are of the same species? They would never meet, they would never breed. How are we to know? Then, what about saber-tooth tigers? They're extinct. We have only morphology. See, we have a multiple problems with species. The species definition that I'm talking about right now. So, another thing, there is a range of mountains where there are 9 species of salamander found. Now, these different populations or species are able to breed with each other when they are next to each other. It forms a horseshoe, but one of this population from one end of the horseshoe cannot breed with the salamander from the other end of the horseshoe. See the problem? And what about tiger stripe whiptail lizards? You can identify the females by their tiger stripes, which is why they're called tiger stripes, even though it's horizontal, whatever. But to identify the males, well, they don't exist. That's right. Whiptails are fully female. They reproduce via parthenogenesis. Does that mean all of each specimen is its own species? We don't know. I'll answer more questions later in my next video. Stay tuned.